Here I've got LeEco Le S3 and let me show you how to grab a screen, how to take a screenshot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open some display that you would like to capture. So let me open the calendar, and if you would like to show someone your plans for November, simply open the display and tap on power key all together with volume down key, holding for about 3 seconds, and that's it. As you can see, as you could hear, the screenshot has been captured and now you can find it in the gallery. So let's open the gallery. Go to the albums and now go to screenshots. And as you can see here is the screenshot that you've just took, and you can share it with your friends now. You can edit this screenshot or you can simply delete it. So that would be all. This is how you can grab a screen in your LeEco. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.